Welcome to this webcast on the features, tools, and tactics that an ERP system has to remove barriers to growth. Hi, my name is Andy Halsema, and for over 2 decades, I've worked in nearly every facet of business systems environment. I've worked with organizations consulting them on business processes in diverse industries, from manufacturing to satellite software systems. And my role at CBOS is the VP of Product Strategy. My responsibility is to make sure that our product fits the needs and requirements of business users today. In today's webcast, we'll cover subjects such as what is ERP, ERP's business impact, wholesalers' growth challenges, how it helps you remove barriers to growth, and then we'll summarize all of that. Okay, so we need to start with the basics. Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, is defined as the ability to deliver an integrated suite of business applications. ERP tools share a common process and data model, covering broad and deep operational end-to-end processes, such as those found in distribution, manufacturing, finance and accounting, sales and customer service, HR, distribution, and managing the supply chain. ERP applications automate and support a range of administrative and operational business processes across multiple industries, including line of business, customer-facing, administrative, and the asset management aspects of an enterprise. So how does cloud impact ERP? CBOS was designed for the cloud, built from the ground up to be in the cloud. That is a differentiator. Applications that are on-premises or that were designed to be on-premises applications and morphed into the cloud carry baggage, additional costs that may not be foreseen, and really aren't designed to be streamlined for the environment of the internet. So ERP applications that are designed for the cloud, they lower cost, they streamline implementation, faster and easier for users to adopt, and they scale across function and locations. So what the cloud does, it allows your company to focus on growth and not IT expenditures. An ERP can positively impact your business in many ways, but the biggest impact will be the visibility of data across all business units. Each business unit relies on each other to run smoothly every single day. By tying every unit together, each unit is afforded critical information that, in the past, has been difficult to access and understand. So what are the top challenges for wholesalers' growth? Legacy on-premise solutions have a very high cost of maintenance, and upgrading to new on-premises solutions requires significant capital investment. It can be difficult, especially if different business segments are using disparate systems, for the entire enterprise to have an accurate view of inventory levels and to get accurate costs for inventory. Modern wholesalers are rapidly expanding their e-commerce operations, but many times those e-commerce and other sales platforms don't inherently speak with back-office operations and accounting solutions. It's very time-consuming for leaders to pull data from different business segments to compile reports that are critical for strategic decision-making. Due to disparate systems, different business segments aren't properly aligned, resulting in significant time spent on duplication of duties. Legacy systems limit efficiency of an increasingly mobile workforce and handicap the organization's ability to scale. So the rest of this presentation is going to be the features, tools, and tactics that remove barriers for growth for companies at multiple stages of maturity. So how does cloud ERP specifically address the removal of barriers for growth? A cloud solution eliminates the need to spend thousands on server and maintenance without sacrificing security. Real-time inventory is visible at all users' fingertips. From field sales to the warehouse to the CEO, accurate inventory information keeps inventory costs in check. Dynamic integrations with e-commerce platforms, online marketplaces, and payment portals ensure accurate inventory is represented on your e-commerce site. Orders are accurate and can be quickly shipped, and receiving payments is easier than ever. Powerful business intelligence tools allow you to easily create relevant reports and present them in easy-to-understand formats, improving decision-making at all levels of the enterprise. Automated business processes eliminate double entry and manual work. Orders seamlessly flow from sales to shipping and accounts receivable, all based on established rules and workflows. A simple browser-based platform allows for easy remote access for all employees, and no data limits will constrict the number of users, order volume, or organization size. So let's start with how ERP solutions reduce infrastructure costs. You'll save thousands on the purchase, installation, and maintenance of on-site servers. The advanced security and redundancy offered by Amazon Web Service provide greatly improved security compared to on-premises solutions that may not have a single resource dedicated to monitoring security. The monthly subscription model offers fixed costs that you can plan for. No more wildly fluctuating support charges. Cloud ERP solutions result in a total cost savings of 20% at 5 years. On-premise solutions typically require upgrade around year 6, so the savings only increase from there. Cloud ERP provides the visibility to control inventory and costs. Inaccurate inventory can lead to increasing inventory costs by 25 to 30% through inventory write-offs, increased warehouse labor, and so on. Each user in the system has access to real-time inventory information that's automatically updated by the system. No more managing Excel spreadsheets on a daily basis. Sales doesn't need to call the warehouse to determine what's available for them to sell. Smart replenishment tools to keep enough inventory to prevent back orders without ordering too much. Allow the system to create all purchase orders automatically based on defined replenishment inventory levels. Set replenishment levels based on historical sales trends and spot underperforming products. Reduce the time spent managing the warehouse by using Smart Pick and Put Away lists for efficient movement throughout the warehouse. Organize the warehouse in an intelligent layout that lets warehouse employees know exactly where to put away and pick products, and to move efficiently throughout the warehouse. Cloud ERP systems leverage modern integrated solutions. 20% of lost revenue to online resellers is caused by data disconnects across the enterprise, specifically not sharing inventory information. Capture that lost revenue by dynamically integrating your ERP with your various online sales channels. Integrate your e-commerce website so inventory levels are synced. Orders automatically flow into the warehouse and orders are quickly shipped. Reduce the man hours spent on making sure inventory is correct in the e-commerce site, and orders are sent to the warehouse in a timely manner. Integrate with shipping partners to easily print labels and sync tracking numbers. Online payment portals make it easy for you to receive payments for your customers. What impact do modern reporting and business intelligence systems have on distributors? 96% of top-performing companies say ad hoc reporting improves business performance. Easily create reports at all levels of the organization to provide actionable insight. Customizable dashboards show the information that's most important to you in an easy-to-view format. This allows you to easily track key performance indicators and spot potential problem areas before they turn into real issues. Finally, you can improve strategic decision-making with easily tailored reporting. Cloud-based ERP systems bring automated business processes. CBOS customers have reported 35% increase in productivity. As sales are made in the field, the orders are already available in the warehouse and shipping. Use processes to automatically generate all shipments needed for picking and invoices to be sent. Use replenishment to create all of your purchase orders automatically. Let the process handle the business work and refocus your time on revenue-generating activity. The cloud brings true mobility and scalability. The browser interface makes it easy for an increasingly mobile workforce to access the ERP system, ensuring they have access to accurate data and reducing errors. The ERP system is designed to scale alongside the company as it grows. No additional servers needed to be purchased, and no additional storage space must be added to the subscription. As the business grows into multiple locations, management will have the visibility into each individual location as well as the entire enterprise. Intercompany transactions allow multiple entities to automatically create transactions for each other. Reporting can be performed for each individual entity and rolled up to cover the enterprise as a whole. In summary, cloud-based ERP systems, like CBOS specifically, are extremely affordable. You lose all of the necessary investment in infrastructure and personnel. They're completely secure. You're leveraging the millions of dollars that Amazon pumps into Amazon Web Services for their security. You have improved inventory control. All aspects of the company can all see the inventory that's available for them to sell and the requirement to purchase. You have modern integrated solutions that you can leverage. Cloud-based ERP systems utilize today's most modern interfaces for integrating solutions. You can create knowledge and vision from the raw data that your system has collected and make decisions that impact your business. Leverage automated business processes. Cloud-based ERP systems allow you to control the workflow that happens from all of your locations, whether they're disparate or not. And finally, cloud-based ERP systems easily scale as your business grows. And I want to personally thank you for taking the time to learn about the benefits that cloud ERP provide wholesalers. And when you're ready, feel free to contact us to schedule a free consultation or a custom demo with a product specialist.